is Adib Kaparia. I work as a business development manager for Power Ideas. We are into residential and commercial solar PV solutions and storage solutions for homeowners and business owners. Sultan is one of our very happy clients. We've installed a 13 kilowatt solar PV solution for him.
I live in Punchbowl. I've been living in Punchbowl for 25 years. I have 5 kids. It's a big family, double-story house, living in this area for quite some time.
So Sultan, like any other homeowner, was overwhelmed with a lot of information and a lot of quotes in the market. He was approached by other companies like ourselves. His requirements were to cater a bill which was about $1,200 a quarter. Of course, the primary goal was to bring it down as much as we could. Apart from financials, he also was very much concerned about aesthetics. As you can see, he has a terracotta black roof and he wanted the panels to be aesthetically good looking. Not just the panels, he was concerned about the inverter as well, because as I mentioned about being overwhelmed with a lot of brands that they don't know about, that's where GE stepped in and made us win this case. He was aware about GE, he knows how old and reliable the company is, which gave us an edge, and he went with the option with all black panels with a 3-phase GE inverter. It's a 13.3 kilowatt system with a 3-phase 10 kilowatt GE inverter.
My normal bill was about $1,200 every 3 months. Now we're going month by month. The first month we installed it, after the first month, it was $140. Then the following months, probably it was in December, it's for free. We had $0. In January and February, we had $20 each month. So it's a big difference. So quite impressed and so happy with it.
He's been recommending me consistently to his friends and families because of the fantastic results we have delivered, all because of the fact of the efficiency of the panels and the inverter combined with meeting the exact requirements of the clients and saving them as much as we can on their ongoing costs.